Good evening, folks. Welcome to Stocks and Slides. How'd everybody do today? Tough market today. A lot of money lost. You know, I'm invested in the energy sector, and I've got my butt handed to me. I can tell you that much. I got my butt handed to me. Like I said, I own four different. I'm invested four different ways. Three of them are in energy sectors, and the other one is in a marijuana company. And red all the way down. Luckily, I did cash out on some profits today. Let me show you here what I did. I actually sold. Before we get started, if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. So anyway, what did I do today here? Real quick, y'all just bear with me here. This is a very important file here. I bought that today. Let's see here. NR. Y'all I'm pretty happy with this. Now I'm a swing trader, y'all. So y'all bear with me. NR Energy. So I purchased NR Energy on 2/16. I purchased 1,400 shares at $2.99 a share at this mark right here. Held on to it through the weekend, opening day. This thing was climbing all the way up to 340. Now, me owning 1,400 shares, I was making $14 a penny off this sucker. So anyway, today was an indication that it was a bloodbath for the energy sector, and so I was like, geez, I need to make some money today, So I went ahead and cashed out my profits on this NR Energy as it was up high. And check this out, 218. Today, right? 2 days later, 3 days later. Sold 1,400 shares at 336, cashed out at 47.04, $518 profit. So that was my big play of the day. That made it not all bad. So when the market is, of course, completely red and in the dumps, and the energy sector just got pounded today, right? So there were several. I swing trade these energy companies quite often. We're going to get to Sundial here in a minute. So I swing trade these companies quite often. And so a lot of those companies, like I sold on Monday, guess what? They lost like 20 or 30 cents today. So what did I do? I made all that money off of NR, and then just crazily went back and bought these back to the other energy sector companies that dropped 20 or 30 cents today. And it just sets up for possibility a lovely Monday or Tuesday. I'm just keeping this rotation of just recycling, recycling these energy companies and catch them on their 20, 30 cent drops, buy them, and go up. Historically, since November, the energy sectors have went up 4 out of the last 5 days. Anyways, we're not going to talk about that. I'll get a little bit more into what I did. I'm just so excited. And who am I going to tell? Nobody cares. Y'all probably don't care. But anyways, so let's talk about Sundial Industries. If y'all don't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button and follow my adventures. I'm trying to turn what originally started my videos. I had 6K. Now I'm currently at almost 9K. And I'm hoping to turn that into 40K by November, which is going to involve a lot of swing trading and personal 5% growths that, I have to maintain. That's my, 5% every week is what I look forward to. And this has actually been a fantastic week if you check this out real quick. So this is my complete profits and sales that I have done this week so far, which is great. We've had a short week. And look at this. Goes energy, look, 195.47 profit. This is all this week. SDPI, 211 profits, cashed out. Boom. Phoenix only made $99. Then today's big 518, which is just over $1,000. So 5% on the 8 or 9, that's a little better than that. It's probably more like 11 or 12% week. So definitely reached my 5% thus far. One more day to go. We'll see how it happens. So anyway, let's get into Sundial Growers. Okay, so if y'all have been watching any of my videos, I've been analyzing Sundial here pretty much every other day, looking at it, because ever since the big hype, the big $3.50 spike that day, I've been like, ooh, what is this company? So anyways, we went over valuations and fundamentals of this company yesterday, and there was none. There was absolutely none to to look at. It's the only thing I can really go by here. First of all, I'm trying to give it a. Now, I have been forecasting this stock to a T ever since I have been watching it and observing. Of course, the telltale signs are pretty obvious on this company. The first thing I want you to notice on this company, which will help give an indication of where tomorrow will go, look at this bid and ask size. Right now, there's only 9,200 orders of purchase. 9,200 shares are looking to be bought right now in the post market, and there is 77,600 shares to be sold. So the sell-off is continuing. That's a good indication of what's going to happen tomorrow, which I don't blame. I mean, this thing, yesterday, I believe this stock lost 47 cents, over 42% drop. I don't remember. You have to go back and watch one of my videos that I posted yesterday. And look at that, and look how I forecasted this, and again, nailing it to a T. So today, as I said, I expected this thing to drop. Why? Because there's no indication that it's going to go up right now. And if you look today, it had another 27-cent drop. That's tough. And again, I'm not encouraging anybody to invest into this company currently. And it's actually dropped 6 cents in the post market too. That's another. It's not a good sign. So until I actually see some support here on SNDL, I wouldn't encourage buying, because there is still no support, because we're still dropping. We are still dropping this sucker. So would not be the time to invest in it as far as I can see. But this is y'all's money. Y'all, there are people who may own this company. I don't own this company. I give quick, very, rounded estimates and forecasts of these companies, and I'm not overcomplicating it. Okay, I'm looking at it. The very simple formula is laid out in front of me. Bid ask size, boom. Stocks and charts and trends, boom. It's all obvious. And this is a 5-day chart here, and again, it's completely going. There is no little bit of this to create a support. We're still falling, and I would expect this to continue to fall tomorrow, especially with that bid and ask size. It's not looking to be a good day tomorrow, and with it dropping, damn. I mean, I'd hate to say where I see this is going to drop tomorrow, but I would say it's going to drop, because it's free falling without a parachute right now, and until we at least hit some sort of stability, some sort of support, it's hard for me to say anything positive at this point, other than, I hope. There's been a lot of money. People made money on this stock. Fantastic. I know they have just reached their compliance with the NASDAQ. Kudos to them. But dropping percentages and dropping this much money like this on a daily basis here is going to have them back under $1 before soon, unless we don't find some sort of support. It was a light volume today of 437,567,951. That doesn't seem very light to me. So yeah, that's I didn't mean to eat up the airwaves at the first talking about what I did, but I was pretty excited. Like I said, I was hoping to tell somebody. So yeah, kind of short and sweet. Sundial growers. There's not a lot of excitement on that, and the overall market today was bad. I mean, it was a bloody day today. And again, like I said, my energy sectors were just annihilated. Okay, I lost my butt today as far as overall, but I did have that sale and I made the $500 profit, so that makes it not bad, because I'm not, I'll show you. Look, so look at this, dropped $415 today. But the good news is I was able to buy in, because it's been a red day for the past couple days, so I actually bought in. I cashed in a lot, as you can see. Sold. Greens means my companies were up. Sold. This was a little marijuana industry I bought into. It dropped the day I purchased. I haven't closed these out yet, but I did sell NR. Made a good chunk of change. Like I said, made really, really good there. So that's what my market did today. You know, hopefully this energy sector, and hopefully the market's good all the way, you know, good throughout tomorrow. We need a good closing week. You know, short week. It's been a very fruitful week for me, but I really like to have all my positions. As you see, my positions right here, SDPI, you know, everything's dropped quite a bit today. You know, so that makes for a long day. But anyways, folks, that was my short video tonight, Sundial growers, among other things. So if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button, and follow me. I go back and forth between Sundial growers and AMC currently, because they seem to me the most highly invested, the most talked about, most you know, there's a lot of what ifs, wonders going on with Sundial right now and AMC. So I mean, it works out great for me. It's an opportunity for me to get in there and, you know, and check them out. And if y'all go back and watch all my other videos, you'll see I'm pretty spot on with my my rough around the edge analysis and forecast of these stocks. Like I said, I don't overcomplicate things. I mean, it can be, you know, it can be as complicated as you want. I mean, you can get in there and really just, you know, there's 500 different screeners and screens you can put on these, and it points out all kind of different ways. And I, you know, just don't need all that. I mean, I don't need it. I don't want all that. You know, I want to simplify it. I'm not a multi-millionaire investor. I'm a, you know, few $1,000 guy, and want to, you know, I'm going to turn it into $1 million, you know. So anyways, again, I hope y'all like my video. If y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.